Good morning. It's another day in the shop. Today we're doing a service on this ISX Cummins. I'm going to show you how to do the oil filter from start to finish. Just a little how-to. So we're dealing with a Fleet Guard. Part number is the LF 14000NN oil filter. It's right here on the passenger side, kind of by the frame rail. So we'll be changing that out, and I'll kind of show you how we do it. Alright, you don't need much for tools. I've just got this filter wrench here that I like to use on these. I am draining the oil as well because I'm doing a service. Really good idea to have a catch pan under this because it is going to spill a little bit of oil as you pull it off. But let's, without further ado, let's get right to it. So I'll spill a little oil. You just want to catch it in your catch pan there, and we'll get cleaned up and we'll throw the new one on.
So, servicing this ISX, we're using the Cummins Fleet Guard LF 14000. We love Fleet Guard filters here, and that's what we use. Cool thing about Fleet Guard, I don't know if everybody knows, but it does tell you how much to tighten it. Sometimes you see filters that are way too tight, some fall off because they're too loose, but anyway, you spin it up till the gasket contacts, and whatever letter you're on, you just make a note and just turn it back to B. So if you're on B, you're going to go to C. A, you're going to go to B. So if it contacts there, we're going to turn it an extra that much. So not quite a full turn. Just little trivia. So anyway, we filled this filter up, not clear full, just a little bit in the bottom. I don't know if any of you have had trouble. It's really hard to start these sometimes, and I don't know what it is, because you can start one, starts fine, and the same truck can come back and then you can struggle. So they are a little bit of a pain once in a while. I found, and it's just my personal point of view, but I found that when there's a little weight in the bottom of it, it's a little easier to get started. So that's just me. If you struggle with it, try it. Might work for you. We always lube up the gasket so it turns good and it doesn't twist or cut. Get it on there. We just spin it up by hand. Right there I've contacted. We're just going to make a note of whatever letter we're on, anywhere on the filter, and spin that around.
Alright, so filter's on and tight. I always just like to come under here and spray this down with some ether to kind of clean it off, and that way the customer's truck stays clean. It doesn't spray oil all the way back under the truck when you're done from what you spilled, like right here. Aside from that, it's pretty simple. Little oil change on this Cummins ISX. Thanks for watching.